It's Toonie time, kids!
Clap your hands and tap your feet.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear who loves his bed. C is for cat, so clever and sly. D is for duck who swims nearby. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who sings all day long. G is for grapes hanging on the vine. H is for horse who gallops fine. I is for iguana, green and still. J is for jackfruit, big and filled. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lemon, sour as pie. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nightingale, singing in a tree. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for Pete, such a sweet delight. Q is for quail, small and neat. R is for rabbit, nibbling a beet. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. T is for tiger with stripes on his head. U is for umbrella bird with feathers white. V is for vulture who soars with pride. W is for watermelon, fresh and cool. X is for xeris, an African squirrel. Y is for yak with hair so long. Z is for zebra, singing the sun.
Clap your hands and tap your feet.